PSC Solar UK is a multinational distributor of quality solar panels, inverters, storage systems and charge controllers. Established in 1989, we operate from our headquarters in Nigeria and offices in Europe and the United States. PSC Solar UK supplies the world's leading manufacturing brands when it comes to solar energy: Bluesun Solar Energy, GSL Energy, SMA, iPanda, Eternity Technologies, 𝐃𝐞𝐲, to mention just a few. On this occasion, we would like to present to you the key features of the BSM415M-72OPH solar module developed by Bluesun Solar Energy Tech, an experienced high-tech manufacturer of solar cells, modules and solar power systems. This module is equipped with 72 monocrystalline solar cells capable of generating up to 415 watts of energy, with a conversion efficiency of up to 20.9%. Reliability of energy output is guaranteed with positive power sorting. Actual module output will be either the same as stated or even up to 5 watts higher. Integrated PERC design increases the module's light absorption ability while decreasing the likelihood of electron recombination. Conventional panels can absorb only certain wavelengths of light. The rest of them go through the panel and get absorbed by the backsheet, which heats the panel, reducing efficiency. PERC modules are designed to reflect unproductive wavelengths, thus providing less heat inside the module and improved efficiency. Its cells are made of silicon with lower oxygen and carbon content, thus reducing the light-induced degradation effect. Lower LID minimises power loss during initial exposure to sunlight. Only high-quality material is used as the encapsulant. This ensures that the module is built for resistance against potential induced degradation and snail trail effects, both of which can cause significant performance decline over time. 3.2mm highly transparent tempered glass with self-cleaning function ensures great performance even under low light conditions. Dust and dirt are less likely to accumulate on the module surface, thus reducing reflectivity, improving light transmittance and saving maintenance costs. This module is certified by national and international certification bodies for its resistance against common adverse environmental elements, including salt mist, ammonia corrosion and sand. Furthermore, it is assembled with a corrosion-resistant aluminium frame and an IP68 rated resistant junction box. Tests have also shown excellent mechanical loading and shock resistance performance, with a front side maximum load of 5,400 Pascal and a rear side maximum load of 2,400 Pascal. All modules have been inspected twice using electroluminescence testing to ensure zero defects. Industry standard international certifications include TÜV and UL. The module's reliability is further guaranteed with 10 years of product and 25 years of performance warranties. For shipping, the terms are 30 modules per pallet, 360 pieces per 20-foot general purpose container and 832 pieces per 40-foot high cube container. As a solar PV solutions provider, PSC Solar UK also offers installation and maintenance services for both on-grid and off-grid systems, ranging from residential to utility scale projects. Our installation projects can be found across the African continent, especially the West African sub-region. Come talk to us and let us help you achieve your renewable energy goals.